Okay, let's move on to Ielts speaking part 2. Describe a time when you helped a friend. A friend is sitting there, so you can talk about a time when you helped a friend. When it was past tense. How you helped her, past tense. Why you helped her, reason for that, and how you felt about it, your feelings at the end. So you will now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Okay, here I would like to tell you about.
Speak louder.
Here I would like to tell you about.
I would like to tell you.
I would like to tell you about an incident which happened with my friend. Her name was Afshin. When we was in 10th, and she lost her bag in school van. And our exams were quite very near, and she lost everything. That's why she was facing difficulty, and her mother told me gave him a favor, and I helped her in doing previous work, because our exams were very quite near, and just 3 weeks were left. And after school time, she came our home and do previous work for exams preparation. Then I helped him and gave him a great favor for completing work.
Okay, you spoke for 1 minute. I'm still confused. Afshin is a boy or a girl? Several times you said him, right? You're speaking Peshawari English. Amara bhai beti hui hai, okay? Something like that, alright? So you should just focus and see if you're talking about Afshin, Afshin is a girl, so you should use her, not him. Right? I was confused. Afshin is a boy or a girl, right? And then you said like give him. It should have been I gave her, not him. Then you said we were, exactly, that's right. Then you said she came our home. She came to our house, or she came to our home and do previous work and did some previous work. So grammatical mistakes are mainly there, and try to speak more than a minute, because if you speak less than a minute, you'll be penalized for that. So mainly you need to focus your grammar and he, she. That's important. Let's go on. Speaking part 3. How do people usually help each other?
People help each other in different ways. They help there in different situations. Some people give favor.
Some people give favor.
Give favor in telling directions, and some intelligent students give favor in study material.
Okay, so just try to speak a little more and try to use, first of all, sometimes people help each other by telling them the right directions. Like if someone comes to a city for the first time and he doesn't know where to go, so the people help him by giving him the right directions. On the other hand, now talk about second thing, then talk about third thing. So connect your ideas. How is online help different from real life help?
Online help is total different from
real life help.
From real life help, because in online ways we can give a little more favor. We transfer money, and we talk with the other people. They are out of city. And in direct helping ways, we share many things. We share our materialistic things and money and etc.
Okay, this is better. Should schools be responsible for teaching students how to cooperate?
Yes, schools are very responsible for teaching students behavior and their ideas, because schools is a building which build their habits and idealism. That's why schools are responsible for this.
Do you like helping others?
Yes, I like helping others, because helping others is a good habit, and I felt satisfied and relaxed. I feel satisfied and relax.
This is the short answer. You need to add some more. Okay, do you like helping others? I love to help others for various reasons. First of all, it is quite satisfying. Whenever I help any of my friends or colleagues, after that I feel great sense of satisfaction. On the other hand, it is my social responsibility to help. Go on like that, okay? Use different words and all that. Anyways, the way you spoke and performed and the way you treated Afshin, I will give you 5.5. But you should work hard, and you can make it 6 or 6.5.
Because topic was about him.
About him?
Yes.
No, him or her.